In this part of the video, second part of how to create a column chart, we will continue. If you watch the first video, we're just moving on from that. So here you can see that the display, the bolt names have already been done because we've selected the data. Now we will add title the x-axis, title the graph race results. So we have a title here. Just select that, and in the formula bar, enter the title, race results, press enter, the title is given. Now we want the title, the x-axis, to be both here. So for that you go to design, add chart element, axis, and remember primary horizontal axis is the x-axis and primary vertical axis is the y-axis. Again, this is selected, enter the name, boat, press enter. Now we want to give the chart a y-axis title of time in seconds. So go again to design, add chart element, axis title, vertical, and give the name time in seconds, press enter. Here we go. It is indicating to use a legend to identify each bar. Make sure the bars are distinctive and can be clearly identified when printed. So that means if I leave this like this, if I was to print it in black and white, they will look similar. So we will add texture to this later, but for now we will leave it. Display the values for each bar. Now we want to display the values, go here, data labels, and we want the values. We don't want them to be in the middle of the columns. We want them on the, not on the inside end, not at the base. We want them on the outside end. Okay, so then you can see all the values. We've already done this one where make sure the graph is separate from the sheet. It's created on a sheet separate from the data source. It's also asking to show a legend to identify each bar. We have a legend here, but say if you did not have a legend, we're going to put one here. So you go to design, add chart element, legend, and the thing about this one is you can then decide you want it on the right hand side, at the top, on the left hand side, or the bottom. I like to have mine on the right hand side. Feel free and decide where you would like to have your legend. So I'm going to click on right. Here we go. Now we need to set the y-axis range from 4,000 to 7,000. At the moment it is showing at 0. So what you need to do is click on this number. It could be the 0, it could be the 1,000. You then right click and choose Format Axis. And what you can see is you can see the major and the minor. Minor is the difference between the two. So let's just do the major. The major should be 4,000. And we've already got the maximum to be 7,000. Sorry, my bad. Minimum is 4,000 and the maximum is not 70,000, should be just 7,000. And there we go. Let's have a look what that looks like. Let's just do that again. So chart, no. Right click, format axis. Minimum is 4,000, maximum is that. That's fine. Here. It is